Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Conrad Centennial Singapore, a luxury hotel that is part of the Hilton Group and located in the Marina Bay area. We'll be taking a look at their 40 square meter deluxe room. Next to the entrance, you will find the spacious marble-clad bathroom, featuring a wide-span mirror and double vanity. Bath amenities are by Shanghai Tang. Thoughtful spacing offers ample room in the various zones. An enclosed rain shower with separate shower wand sits next to the large bathtub. Bath salts, soap, and even a bright yellow rubber ducky are provided for your bath needs. Moving on to the entry corridor, you will find a compact bar counter, complimentary bottled water, an espresso machine, and electric kettle can be found here, as well as an assortment of teas and Nespresso pods. Moving on to the bed, they are available in twin or king bed configurations. Note the Conrad bear on the pillow, which you can take home with you. On the bedside table, you will find the sanitized remote as well as a care kit containing masks and hand sanitizer. Moving to the living area, there is a large Samsung TV. Next to the windows is a daybed cum sofa. It appears that due to the wider dimensions of twin beds, the window sofa is only half length. There is also a glass-topped dining table with a single armchair. This doubles as a work or study desk, on top of which there is an opulent box amenity. Last but not least is the view. The Conrad has partial views of Marina Bay. Heading out, the pool is located on level 4 and is simple but quite sizable. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough. See you in the next one.